Okay, I just downloaded Neo4J Desktop and I'm going to go through installing it. Not that that's any big deal, but let's give it a shot and see how it goes. So it's been downloaded, it's in the downloads directory, and now we're going to try and install this thing. And I'm trying to find out where the imports directory is on this thing. So here's downloads, Neo4J Desktop. Let's see how this goes. I'm on a Windows 11 Levano small desktop computer. It has 4 cores in it. So I want to find the import directory, and there are various, it's supposedly under the installation directory of this thing, so I just want to see where it installs and see if that shows up. So this may not be very interesting in the beginning, but let's see where it goes. That's taking a long time. This thing runs on Java, I know that, so it has to have Java and all that stuff in it. Can't seem to ever get rid of Java. It just hangs around. Okay. Let's close this. Okay, allow that. Oh, I can't see, it's real speedy. Okay, it's running. So there's the import right there. Start sketching a model. So I could drag and drop to there, or I could browse. So my friend is saying he can't import. I'm not sure why. He has a big file to import. Drag and drop or browse. So it's looking in documents to do an import right off the map here. So that's where it wants to import from, but I guess it would do it from anywhere. What if I want to look at where this thing was installed? So program files. Where's Neo4J? There it is right there. Now where are you? Don't see it there. Don't see it there either. My friend was saying it's under users. There, look at that. That's where he's right. That's where it is. Okay, cache config, data logs, temp. So, he was looking for a default file for it. Let's go to CMD if I can get to there. I'm trying to find, okay, here we go, CMD. Okay, how do we do? Don't remember the stuff anymore with Windows. Don't care about that. Okay, Windows. List path variables. All right. What kind of Neo4j is this thing here? Okay, I don't see anything with Neo in here. Okay, so I don't see any specific path for Neo. So the import must go through that import wizard they have. My friend is used to using the older version. So I'm thinking that this is the stuff he needs right here. All right, that's my video. Maybe not real useful, but it's there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.